Wait lang, ang dami kong kalat. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Shoot 3 points.
And I like it, I like it, and I like it, I like it, and I like it.
Oh, gee, I'm gonna take him to the trunk and listen, baby.
Fierce and fantabulous day to all my amazing and beautiful fams, and today we are going to be doing another video. And yun, nakita nyo naman sa title, we're going to be unboxing a lot of parcels. Yes, unboxing and unwrapping. So, I went back to bartering. I don't know if you guys know that. So, there's this, a lot of groups actually for Book Barter Philippines yung name nila sa Facebook. And you can actually barter your books. So, you barter meaning trade or exchange. And I'm actually really happy that this is becoming more known. Kasi, ayun, it's super nice na pag natapos mo basahin ng isang libro, you can just barter it and change it to a different one. And then, you know, that book na nabasa mo can be alaga naman ng ibang owner, and then ikaw, yung books na nabasa niya, ay ikaw naman yung mag-aalaga. So, these are all of the books na na-barter ko. I actually discovered bartering last year, March, nung time na nagkakabalikan na kami nung ex ko. Anyway, pero, so ayun, I really lean towards bartering, and nung last video ko, nung birthday video ko, I unboxed a lot of mga books, at lahat po yun ay galing sa bartering ko pa nung last year. And ito naman, ito yung mga bartering ko lang, nito lang, recently lang, like last month lang. Nakaisip kasi ako na, sabi ko, why not just go back to bartering? Kasi I was just very anxious and basta super stressed with life, and ayun. So, ganun kasi ako when I actually discovered bartering. I was also very stressed with life, and I was having a lot of anxieties. Last month nga lang, nagkaroon ako ng anxiety again because of like mga failed friendships and all those kind of things. Sabi ko, I need another stress reliever, kaya nag-book barter ako. It's also super duper fun. I wanna talk about book bartering din while we unpack all of these books. Pero, yun. Anyway, so let's just do this video. I'm excited. So let's start with this parcel. This is not actually a barter. Kaya lang, isasama ko na siya dito sa video na to. Order ko kasi to from Psycho. Dumating lang siya today. So, buksan na rin natin. So, ayan. Again, hindi to part ng barter ha. Pero, yeah. Para lang makita nyo lang yung mga binili ko rin na books sa Psycho. Siyempre, support tayo sa Psycho. I'm a Psycho author. So, support natin yung mga books doon. Ayun! Oh, ang cute! So, ay, may mga pa-freebies na bookmark. So, let's start with, ayan, tanggalin yung mga bookmark. So, let's start with, etong books na to, yung anong klaseng estudyante ka. Yes, I bought 5 copies. Hindi ko alam kung sinong author nito. Sabi nila, nananampal daw to pag wrong grammar. Joke lang. Ako po author nito. So, ayan, bumili tayo ng, syempre, support your own. Bumili rin ako ng Hourglass ni Ana. Yan, an author friend ko rin. And another author friend, si Albert Apolonio. Bebe! Your books are here. So, ayan. Bumili ako ng Can You Keep a Secret niya na complete version. So, I'm very, very excited. And I bought 4 copies. So, there you go. And yung first parcel natin. There you go! So, now let's move on talaga sa mga barter books na ginawa, na pina-barter ko. So, let's start with this. When I actually opened this na kasi mapilit kasi isang kaibigan si Ali. Pero ayan, this is from Vivian Joyce. Ayan, si Viv. Thank you so much, Viv, sa barter namin. Ang pinabarter ko dito ay yung aking We Were Liars. Ayan, nandyan nalagay na natin sa screen. Or basta kung hindi ko matanda kung ano ipabarter ko, basta lalagay ko na sa screen kung ano yung pinagpalit ko para makita nyo rin how really cool bartering is. So, We Were Liars yung pinagpalit ko dito, at ang kapalit niya ay, oh my God! Yes! The Song of Achilles. And, oh my God, finally, meron na akong kopya ng The Song of Achilles. Nabasa na to ni Ali, ni Sean. Kaya nga, nung sabi ko sa kanya na meron akong pinabarter na ganito, he was really, really excited. Gusto niya na buksan ko na, kaya pinakita ko na sa kanya. But, there you go. So, original price nito sa fully book ay 599 pesos. And I got this not for free, pero sa barter. I just exchanged my We Were Liars book for this book. So, that's the first. I'm happy. Thank you so much, Viv. And sobrang ganda pa ng quality ng book niya. So, winner! Let's continue. And our next parcel is this yellow one. Ito naman ay galing kay Jassy Cesa. So, ito siya yung from Cavite na nakapalitan ko. And ayan, lagi ulit sa screen kung ano man yung pinag-barter ko. And ito yung napalit niya. And also yun nga, sabi ko nga kanina, I was stressed and I was having a lot of anxieties. Kaya parang sabi ko, ay gusto kong mag-book barter kasi aside from you will be getting new books from, you know, from different people, you get to talk to them. And I don't know, I'm a people person. I love talking to people. I'm a social animal. So it's super nice to, you know, to meet new friends din. Pare-pares kayo mga addict sa libro. So, nakatutuwa lang na, yun, you get to experience that. Again, not just you having new books, but also getting to, you know, to talk to authors, to readers, and ayun, to also know their story about their books. Kasi ako, most of the books that na pinapabarter ko, talagang libro ko talaga, so personal books ko sila, so I will tell them the story about my book and all that kind of thing. So nakatutuwa lang rin na you also get to hear their stories, like kung nagustuhan ba talaga nila yung libro and how was their experience with the book and all that kind of thing. So anyway, so here are the books. So the first one, lahat pala to ay hardbound. Grabe, winner. Hardbound siya lahat. The first one is Run, Hide, Fight Back ni April Henry. Sealed and hardbound. So, sana hindi siya parte ng series. So, because I love mystery. Oh my god, the original price is 915. Oh my god. Winner. Next book is Blackbird by Anna Carey. Ayan siya. Original price naman ito ay 649 pesos. Hardbound rin siya. Ang gaganda. And The Awakening of Sunshine Girl, based on the YouTube web series Phenomenon. Yan. Ito siya. Hardbound rin siya at naka-sealed. Meron lang siya mga tanning dito. Ay, kasi nabuksan yung plastic. Pero anyway. And last, this is actually what I really want from her. The Chemist by Stephanie Meyer. Yes, the author of Twilight. I've never, but I feel like I've read like the first book of Twilight, pero hindi ko napagpatuloy. Napanood ko yung mga movies. Pero I don't know, I liked The Host, so why not try The Chemist? This is another book from Stephanie Meyer, so so ayan ang ating bartered books. I love it. I love them all. Ang third one naman ay galing kay Nika. Ito. My name is Nika. Nika. I love it. I love these books. Alam ko, sa pagkakatanda ko, ito yung kay Leia of Beat. Di ko alam yung may kinuha ko, or yung kay Simon, Homo Sapien, ganyan. So, ito pala yung mga binarter ko na libro. Yan. Yung mga books na yan ay pinalit natin sa libro na to. Pero nakabalot pa siya isa-isa. So, okay. Surprise to. Isa-isa. Okay, ito na unahin natin. May pa Jaryo. Ay, nandito si Queen Bey. Beyonce tayo dito. Sa Jaryong Itsu. Oh my God! I love this book. Oh my gosh. Oh, yes! I'm super kilig. So this is a National Book Award finalist, Patron Saints of Nothing by Randy Ribay. Ribay, babasa doon. Ayan, I love it! Nakita ko to sa fully booked noong nakarang araw and I was just squealing. And now that I have the book, I'm squealing again. And the original fries, fries yan, kasi wala na mga fries sa Jollibee at McDonald's ngayon. And meron tayong kahirapan sa potatoes. Pero anyways, the original price is 528 pesos. And I love this kasi yung character dito is actually a Filipino. I'm not just sure kung si Randy Ribay, pero I feel like the Ribay is Filipino, no? So baka Filipino author din siya. Pero yeah, the character here is a Filipino. So si J. Reguero is a Filipino, and then meron siyang basta something na sinisearch, ganun. I love it! I love it! Ang ganda ng mga books ni Nika. I love it. Thank you, Nika. Ano to? The red ones. Ito na yung Homo Sapiens. Oh my God! Ito na nga! Simon versus the Homo Sapiens Agenda. This is also a it also has an award sa American Library Association ni Becky Albertalli. Oh my God! Nakita ko rin to sa National Bookstore and I'm super excited to read this. This has been continuously been recommended by my author friends and mga kasama ko ng mga bookworms din, si Zandro and si Romney. So finally, Ariel happened to me. One much green, so not bad. I love it. I super love it. Longlisted rin pala siya for National Book Award. Bongga. So there. Feeling ko maikli lang libro kasi ang laki ng spacing niya. But I'm super excited. These are the two of the books that I'm really excited to read. Yung kay Rainbow Rowell! Oh, there you go, Rainbow Rowell Landline. I chose this sa barter namin because I actually have a lot of Rainbow Rowell books na. Meron ako nung attachments, may title ng isa, tas yung Fangirl. And then, sabi ko, why not, have this book na rin. And I love her books ha, maliban dito sa Patron Saints, pero naka plastic cover siya lahat. So, ang cute. Though meron siya mga tanning parts na dito, but still, I mean, it's barter. So, though yung mga binarter ko sa kanila, all of those are brand new. Like siguro 3 to 4 books lang yung mga hindi brand new sa lahat ng mga pina-barter ko. Pero most of the books talaga na pina-barter ko are all brand new and sealed. So, pero still, winner pa rin to. Because these are the books that I really love. So, thank you so much, Nika. Whew, let's move on to the next one. Si Dioy ata to, from Dioy. So, there. Oh, ang cute. May pa-personalize na gano'n. Ka-Eliza, ayan, Jahric Lago. May pag-gano'n na ano. I'm actually friends with her on Facebook. Dahil lang rin sa barter. O, diba? Sabi ko sa inyo, you guys will really have not just good books and books to read, but also new friends. So, kay Dioy or kay Eliza, ayan, hello. Ayan, nandito, ito na. Sabi mo, manonood ka ng vlog ko. So, sana nanonood ka ngayon. But, I'm excited to also see kung ano yung mga books na pinalit niya, binarter namin. So, ito yung mga books na binarter ko sa kanya, and then ito naman yung mga ipapalit. So, let's open the first one. Doon na tayo sa maliit. Okay. Sorry kung medyo narinig nyo na yung aircon ko. Binuksan ko na kasi medyo nainitan na ako. Okay. Oh, ito yung kay Christopher Paulini. The Fork, the Witch, and the Worm. So, sa mga nagbabasa ng Eragon series niya, or nakapagbasa na, sorry, ganyan talaga ako magbukas ng mga gifts at saka ng mga parcels kasi, di ba, pag may excitement daw talaga dapat, ganun, waratin, ganun, para bas bongga. What's this one? Okay. So, this one is the Little Nothing ni Marisa Silver. Ayan. There you go. Thank you so much. Ang ganda ng cover. Very minimalistic. And I love it. So, there you go. Ito yung mga books naman na napabarter ko kay Eliza. Eliza pala. Basa doon. Eliza. Our next parcel to open is from Danica Arangurin. Basta si Danica. Ito siya ata si Dioy. Oh my God, sorry, hindi ko na matandaan, pero ayun, kung ito ata si Dioy, si Danica. Anyway, ayun, si Danica, salamat sa box na to, kung ano man to, at talagyan natin sa screen kung ano yung mga pinalit ko na libro sa'yo. I'm not really sure basta kung sino man si Dioy, kung sino ka man bebe, basta ayun, maraming salamat, I'm super happy na naging FB friends tayo. So, ayan, sa kanya nga to, ayan, may pa-message si Dioy. Ayan, sabi niya, Jay, thank you for being so kind. Have fun and enjoy life with books. So, okay, finally, may confirmation na tayo na si Dioy itong aking binubuksan ngayon. So, nakita niyo na kanina yung mga books, ayan, na mga pinamalit ko dito. So, I'm happy and I'm excited to open all of these books. So, let's start na. Ayan na. I'm gonna keep this message because it's super cute and nice. So, lagay natin yun dyan. Gagawin ko na lang yung bookmark. So, may dalawang maliit na libro dito. Alam ko dinagdagan to ni Dioy. So, hindi ko alam kung ano yung mga, bakit yung dinagdag niya. So, let's see and open. Ano to? Oh my God! This is from Paulo Coelho. Oh my God, bebe! Salamat! Oh, I love it! Seryoso. I love it. Paulo Coelho, manuscript found in Agra. I love it! I love Paulo. Pero may mga boxing na ko niya, both Paulo and Wally. Si Wally pala, tsaka si Paolo, tsaka si si Jose. Hindi si Paolo, tsaka si... What's his name? Mitch album. So I have their books. Pero mas marami akong books ni Mitch. So it's nice na magkaroon ako ng books ni Paolo. I actually wanna read The Alchemist din. So soon. But thank you for this, baby! Kinikilig ako. Salamat, Dioy, bebe. Salamat. And this other one is... Dinagdag niya lang to, alam ko eh. Ito naman ay... Oh my God! Another Paulo Coelho book! So this naman, The Devil and Miss Prim. I love it. I love it. Ang bango talaga ng mga old books. Ayan, meron pang pa-bookmark dito. So, thank you so much, baby! Kinikilig ako. So, iipit ko na lang. Ay, may mga bookmarks lahat. Ang cute. Pero sige, iipit ko pa rin tong note niya here kasi I wanna keep it forever. Para pag titingnan ko yung libro, okay, yun pala, galing pala yung kay Dioy. So there, 2 Paulo Coelho books. Ito palang panalo na ako. So thank you so much. Though they are, worn out and old na, but still, books are books. And ang sarap kaya ng amoy ng old books. I don't know. I love like new books, of course, pero iba yung amoy ng old books. So, thank you! So let's open na yung talagang pina-barter ko sa kanya. Well, I mean, sige na, part na rin naman yun ng barter. Kasi, ayun nga, na dinagdag niya yun dito. So, ayun, tignan nyo, di ba? I get to be close with kay si Dioy, si Jane din, and also yung mga iba rin naman. Kaya lang yung mga madalas ko lang kasi nakausap si Dioy at saka si Jane. So, I don't know, I just love it. Nakatutuwa lang na you get to build connections with people that you basically do not know, but one thing connects you all, books! So, if you guys wanna try, please join our Facebook group, Book Barter Philippines. Naka-caps lock yun, Book Barter Philippines. Meron ding isang Book Barter Philippines na hindi siya naka-all caps, lang siya, normal lang. So you can also join that. So marami rin nagpo-post doon. It's just a super fun thing to do, especially when you just want to distress and you want to kind of like detoxify on Facebook, but not like detoxify from like the entirety of social media. Like you just detoxify from your toxic friends and like just people around you and all that kind of shit. You know, just go there because it's a whole new world. A whole new world. A new fantastic point of view. Charot, may pakanta. Hindi seryoso, parang it's just like a whole new world of, it's different. Like most of the people there, maybe one to 5 people, pero most of the people there you do not know, and makikilala mo lang sila through the books rin ng mga pinapa-barter nila, and may mga nagsasell rin doon ng mga books. So it's just such a fun experience to do rin. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So naka-Manila paper sila lahat. So buksan na natin doon tayo sa pinakahuli, syempre, di ba? Alam niyo naman ako. So pinakahuli pinakahuli lagi yung malaki. So let's start with this one. Ayan, warati na. Ay! Ito pala yun! Yung mga classic books na sa kanya pala nga galing yun. Oh my G! I love it! This is Persuasion by Jane Austen. I love Jane Austen. I love Emma. Yun yung lagi ko pinakinggan sa audiobook. So I'm super duper happy to be collecting itong mga ganong type of classics. Though, ang kinukulit ko talaga ay Collins Classics. Pero sabi ko, why not also venture on other classic books na nagpiprint like this one? Ang ganda kasi niya. Tingnan nyo, mukha siyang para sa Twilight. Akala mo Twilight, pero no. And mahal rin pala niya ha, 350. And this is from Harper Teen. I love it! Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng mga books ni Dioy. Bebe, ang gaganda. I love it. Classic. Oh, ang galing ko! Oh my G! I love it! This is naman ay galing kay Emily Bronte. Galing talaga. Written by Emily Bronte, yung Wuthering Heights. I super duper love this. I've heard a lot of good reviews about this, or parang maraming mga booktubers na nagandahan dito sa libro na to. So, I wanna read it! Oh my gosh! I love it. I love it. I love them both. Di ba ang ganda? Para siyang, kala mo Twilight, pero hindi. I love it. Thank you so much, bebe. Eto pa lang, super, wow. I love it na. And okay, now, let's move on to the Nicholas Sparks books. I love Nicholas Sparks, especially when I was in college. Kaya lang, yung mga books kasi ni Nicholas Sparks, yung mga books ko ni Nicholas Sparks, nabenta ko na siya. Pero yung iba naman, nabenta ko siya sa friend ko, kay Zandro. So, nakikita ko pa rin yung mga books ko. Pero, it's just so nice to be recollecting Nicholas Sparks books again. Pero, I'm into like yung mga trade paperback, yung mga mas malalaking books kaysa sa mga maliliit. Kasi maliliit lang yung mga books ko dati. From Nicholas Sparks. Oh my God! So this is The True Believer. Ito yung medyo meron ng mga bangas-bangas. Pero maganda pa rin naman. Very much readable. Wait lang, may naka-fold na pahina. Ay, hindi. Reflection lang ata. There! True Believer ni Nicholas Sparks. I love Nicholas Sparks. Number 1 book that I love of him. Actually, nakasama yun sa top 5 books ko na mahal of all time. Yung The Notebook ni Nicholas Sparks. So, now we have True Believer. And what else do we have in here? Ito, naka-plastic cover. I love it. Sana plastic cover mo rin to, be. Para naka-plastic cover lahat. Kasi I don't know. Gusto ko kasi mga naka-plastic cover ng mga libro. Tapos meron pa magandang way to plastic cover the books. Yung pag nilagay mo yung plastic cover, hindi mo lalagyan ng dito, ng tape. Sa mismong para hindi ma-damage yung papel. Ipo-fold mo lang siya ng bonggang-bongga. Ganun lang. Tapos walang tape. Ayan, lahat pala ng books niya, nilagyan niya ng bookmark. Salamat, bebe. Parang ready to, ready to read. Lahat ng may bookmarks. I love it. I love you. Sana nagandahan ka rin sa mga pinalit ko na libro. Ito naman ay The Best of Me. You got the best of me, but I just keep on coming back incessantly. Charot. Ayan. Ano ba ginagawa ko dito? Ayan, Best of Me ni Nicholas Sparks. I love this rin. Ay, meron siyang konting ay hindi, kala ko watermark. I love it. I love it, ang bango. And last but definitely not least, ay hindi rin siya nakabalot. Isa lang pala yung nakabalot. Yung Longest Ride, na gusto ko na rin itong basahin. Actually, these 2 books ni Nicholas Sparks, I really wanna read them. So, Longest Rides ni Nicholas Sparks. Ang cute! Kinikilig ako, grabe. Oh my G, thank you so much, bebe. Ito yung lahat ng mga books from Dioy. I love you so much. Ay, ito pa pala, sorry. These ones too, yung kay Paulo Coelho. I love it, super winner naman ito lahat. I love you. Salamat po, grabe. Grabe naman yung click ko. Salamat. Now we are down to 2 more boxes. So ito yung talagang bonggang-bonggang kailaking mga boxes. Aray! Etong una ay nanggaling kay... Okay, walang pangalan. Tanggalin na muna natin para malaman natin kung kanino ba to galing. Ito yung galing kay Bibliomanes o Bibliomanes. I forgot her name. Hindi nakalagay dito sa box. Ito yung mga box na pinapalit ko sa kanya. And ito yung kapalit nun. Isang buong box na bubuksan na natin ngayon. Nakaka-lurky. Ang dami nito. So, di ba, parang cool lang din. Like, akala ng parents mo, may mga dumarating sa libro sa'yo, ayan, gumastos ka na naman. Wala kang gagastos sa book bartering. Basically, you just, exchange books. Yun lang. Kaya, it's also super cool. It's, ano man tawag dito? Cost-free therapy para sa mga maraming oras dyan at nababaliw na sa bahay at walang ginagawa, then just do book bartering. It's super fun. And alam ko marami rin mga ibang types of bartering. Like you can also barter like iba-ibang mga bagay-bagay. May nakita na ako ng mga groups sa Facebook. Pero syempre, I'm a book fan tayo. So, sa books tayo. Ang dami! There you have it! Oh! I love it! Oh my God! Okay. I love what I'm seeing. So, let's open this up. And super generous nito. I really forgot her name, I'm sorry. Pero yung si Bibliomanes, super duper generous niya. Like, ang dami niyang binigay sa akin na libro. And, wow. Thank you po. Thank you super. So, ayan. Oh my God, you guys all know that I love collecting pop fiction books. So, we got 2 pop fiction books! So, yung isa ay As Told by Nerdy ni Chubame. And ang libro ni Bioch na Better Than Fiction na kasama doon sa Chatfic. So, this is actually the only book na wala ako from the Chatfic. 4 kasi to. So, yung kay Piloso Potasha and then I forgot the other 2. Pero, ayun. So, now, kompleto na ako sa Chatfic and meron pa tayong pasobra na isang pop fiction. So, salamat. Lagi ko rin dito sa mga pop fiction collections ko. And, moving on to the next one. So, we got here. Ayan. Ay, ito na to. Wala siyang, dust jacket. Black Lightning. Hindi ko alam, dinagdag niya lang ata to. So, salamat po dito. Black Lightning ni John Saul. And ito, I'm excited to have this. So, etong cloaked ni Alex Flynn. Though meron nga siyang water damage. Sinabi naman niya sa akin to. Sabi niya, yan be, meron siyang water damage. Ganyan, ayan o. Tingnan niyo. Medyo, na yung book. Ang hirap niyang buksan. Actually, ang tigas. Pero, I like this kasi yung author nito, si Alex Flynn, siya yung author ng Beastly. So, ito yung isa niya, yung Cloaked. So, I think this is about Little Red Riding Hood. Parang retelling of her story. So, yeah. Pretty worn out. Marami na rin siyang talagang water stains. Ayan, I don't know if you guys can see. Tapos may mga black stains din siya. But, very much readable. So, why not? Nahirapan ako sa kanyang tigas niya. Pero nababasa pa naman siya. Nabasa lang talaga. Ito yung nakakasad sa books pag nabasa. You can never, get it back from its original state. Pero there you go, Cloaked. And we have Invisible Ghosts ni Robin Schneider. So, there, ayan. Original price nito ay 459 pesos. So, ang cute. This is also, yung mga books na sinunod, parang titingnan ko lang kung maganda ba yung genre, gusto ko ba yung blurb, and then I'm gonna say yes. Yun na yung papabarter natin para matapos yung usapan. Mabilis naman kasi kausap. Of course, I need to love the books kasi barter yon. So, most of the books na pinapabarter ko, I keep them to myself. Very few percentage lang yung pinamimigay ko, pero most of the books, I really keep them to myself. So, I want to love those books para I really, sa akin siya, like kasama ko siya, and I will enjoy the books too. Kasi makikita ko siya dito sa bookstore tuloy, sa room ko and sa bahay namin. Next books, ito naman ay 3 hardbound books. Ayan! So let's start with, dalawa lang pala yung hardbound. So ito yung The Siren ni Kira Cass, yung author ng The Selection series. So, meron na ako actually nito, pero nung nakita ko to sa collection niya, sabi ko why not? Kasi naman to. Basta namimili lang kasi kami ng mga books na idadagdag. So, sabi ko, sige, sama mo na yan. So, ayun. At saka sabi niya, naki-clear out lang rin siya daw ng space. So, ayun, why not? Sige, I got this. So, ayan. Ito na yung babasahin ko. Pero binigyan ako ni Franny nito nung birthday ko ni Pao. Pero I think I'm gonna keep that na lang. Kasi hardbound yun. So, dyan na lang siya. Display. Ay, nandito pala yun. Sa likod nito. So, ayan. So, I'm gonna read this. Thank you so much. I love it. I love it. And then, I love fantasy books kasi, guys. So, number 1 ko, fantasy. Second ko, mystery. So, ayun yung mga gusto kong mabasahin na libro. And next one, I love Melissa de la Cruz. Melissa de la Cruz is a Filipina author, but she is based in the US, and she's really popular with a lot of mga mystery and fantasy books. So, and also romance. So, there you have it, Love and War. So, sana, supportan niyo yan si Melissa de la Cruz. Isa sa mga sikat na series niya ay yung, wait, I have this one. The Witches of East End. And, Frozen series. So, yung series ay Frozen, Chosen, and, I forgot the other one. Frozen, Chosen, and Golden. So, there. Trilogy yun. And then, eto, ni Melissa de Cruz, Love and War! I love it. Hardbound pa. And then this one, ay kay Madeline Rue, I don't know. Court of Shadows. A House of Furies novel pala ito! Oh my God! Okay, I love it. I love it already. Why? Kasi I have that book, I just don't know where. Pero I have that book, yung House of Furies, or Furies ata. House of Furies. So, meron akong libro na yun. So, ito pala ay novel from that book. So, I love it. At binigay rin sa Anipaw yun, yung House of Furies ko na libro. And last, but definitely not least, parte siya ng series, pero kulang to ng last book. Alam ko, yung pinaka-last book. Tapos, nakatutuwa kasi si Dioy, yung kanina, yung may mga Paulo Coelho, Nicholas Sparks, sabi niya sa akin, uy, nakabarter mo pala yun si ate. Ito, totoong nakabarter ko si Biblio Mains. Sabi niya, nakabarter ko yun. Tapos, napunta sa akin yung 5th book niya ng The Olympus. Yung 5th book ng Heroes of Olympus, yung 5th book na kay Dioy. 4 na libro lang yun nandito sa akin. Dioy, bebe, padala mo na yan sa akin. So, ayun, there you have it. Last barter ko sa kanya ay ang Heroes of Olympus. And ano siya, original copy siya. I love it. Ni Rick Riordan, of course. So, we got book 1, book 2, book 3, and book 4. Yung book 5 nga ay naka-IDOY! So, there. Yun yung mga books ko from Bibliomains. Thank you so much po sa lahat na nabarter ko sa inyo. I'm super duper happy! Ang saya ko. I love it. I love all of these books na nabarter ko sa kanya. Ito actually yung pinaka-last na hinihintay ko. Dapat nung last week pa ako dapat napag-vlog. Pero sabi ko, kailangan ko sabay-sabay na sila. So, hinintay ko na to kasi nagkaroon ng aberya dun sa shipping ni Jane. This is from Jane. So, nakatuwa rin, maraming magagandang libro dito. Kaya I'm very, very happy and excited na buksan to. Ayun! So, ang ating napanaluan ay isang electric fan, 12 inches! Charot! So, ayun. Ang hirap na mabuksan ito. Mapagod na yung braso ko. Yan, isa rin si Jane sa mga naging sobrang close ko rin dun sa etong batch ng barter ko. Marami rin ako naka-close nung last time eh. Pero this batch naman, I feel like this was my second like large barter. Tawag natin na barter haul. Ganon. Kasi ngayon, as in isang bultuhan, sabay-sabay sila. Hindi kasi ako nagpapabarter ng isa-isa lang. Kasi dinatamad ako. Gusto ko talaga sabayan. So ako rin magpupost ako ng maraming books. And then ayun na, babarters kami. Magbabarter kami. Ang cute, ang ganda ng packaging, tapos may mga pasimpleng ganyan-ganyan pa. At dahil maganda ka, wawaratin kita. At dahil maganda ka, wawaratin kita. Ayan, ang cute oh, tingnan niyo yung packaging. Parang net. Ang cute. I love it. Ayan, nakabalot siya ng mga old, ano ba tawag dito? Covers. What do you call that? Pages ng libro. What's this? Uy, hardbound book. Thank you sa pa-free, bebe! A Strange Eventful History. The Dramatic Lives of Ellen Terry, Henry Irving, and Their Remarkable Families. Michael Hallward. There! Salamat sa pa-free! I love it. Ang bigat, grabe. Tsaka, ang kapal. I think this is non-fiction. I'm not into non-fiction so much, pero why not? Salamat! Salamat, Jane. Ayan pala, nandiyan pala sa screen. Yan, nasa screen yung mga pina-barter ko sa kanya. Hindi ko pala nasabi, pero vinyo nyo naman, di ba? Ay, marami pa tong laman. 2. Grabe naman siya. Ang dami mo naman binigay, bebe. River Destiny ni Barbara Erkins. The river is ready to reveal its ancient secrets. Ay, ang ganda! Did you paint this? Ano siya, painted yung edges niya. I don't know if you were the one who painted this, pero ang ganda. I like it. Salamat sa pa-free. And this one. Ito naman ay wala rin siyang book jacket, pero the book is The Missing Professor, an academic mystery. Oh, I love mystery books. So, G. Salamat! And ito na. Yung talagang pina-barter natin kay Jane. So, let's open it up. Meron na naman book na nasa labas. Oh my God! May pa-freebie ka na naman, be! Hindi naman ito kasama ng barter natin. So, salamat! Meron siya pa-freebie sa akin na Looking for Alaska ni John Green. Ayan. This is the PhilEd, Filipino edition. So, ayan. I love giving books away rin naman. So, yung mga ibang binigay naman sa akin na na-receive ko dito, ay ipamimigay ko rin naman sa inyo, sa mga nanonood ngayon. So, ayan na. So, meron siyang 2 bookmarks, 1 more page, at saka, may personalized bookmark. Grabe naman siya. Ayan, may pa-Jahric doon. Bongga, bebe. Salamat. Yung sa akin, binalot ko lang, tapos sinip ko na. Wala akong mga pa-secret. Uy, salamat sa inyo ay mga pag-ganito, mga ek-ek. Bloomsbury. Okay. Maliit lang pala yun. Kala ko TPB. Pero, ayan, Eat, Love, Pray. Napanood ko na yung movie nito. I super love the movie. Akala ko TPB. Pero yeah, why not? Go lang. I love it. So I'm excited to read this. Oh my G! This is the one! This is from Adam Silvera. Ayun! More Happy Than Not. Adam Silvera, the author of They Both Die at the End. I love it. So there, just naka-plastic cover siya. I love it. And the last book that we will be opening. Are you excited? I'm super excited for this. Kinikilig ako, kinikilig ako. Contain yourself, Mr. Jahric Lago. Oy! Tumatalon pa. Buhay pa. Naka-plastic cover din. Ay, naka-plastic cover din. Ang cute. Aray. Ala. 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 Ayun na siya, guys. This book is also from Adam Silvera. This naman is They Both Die at the End. So I've wanted... Ala, nalagyan ko ng pawis ko. Sorry. I wanted to read this book. Sobrang ganda pa ng kwal. And ayun, naka-plastic cover din siya. Ayan, They Both Die at the End. And then, shaninin. Ang ganda! Ay, sorry, ba't ako nagmumura? Ang ganda! Oh my God! I love it. I love it! Salamat po! Salamat, bebe. So this is the UK edition of They Both Die at the End. Ang ganda niya. May mga pa-shimmering splendid. Ang ganda. Oh my God. I can't even. So finally, makabasa na ako ng libro ni Adam Silvera. Well, specifically this book, yung They Both Die at the End. Because I've always wanted to read this. So finally! Salamat, Jane! And salamat din sa lahat ng mga naka-barter ko dito sa etong panahon na to na nag-barter ako. So I'm very, very happy with all of the books that I received. I feel like my top 3 books are The Song of Achilles, this one, of course, They Both Die at the End, and yung Wuthering Heights. I love that so much. So yun, because I'm really into classic books right now. So Wuthering Heights by Emily Bronte, because I really want to read that too. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat na naka-barter ko and na-meet ko online. And yun, lalo sa mga naging close friends ko. Yun, thank you sa friendship. And may we barter more books. Again, to those who are watching this, I wish that you're also going to try this hobby because it's super fun. You'll meet new people. You'll be able to also read their books and take care of them. So, ayun, yun lang. This is the end of the video. Maraming salamat po sa mga nanonood po ng video na to. Again, my name is Jahric Lago and I'll see you in the next one. Adios! Bye! Kilig.
And I like it.
RG, I'ma take him to the trunk and listen, baby.
I like it. I like it. And I